Hey, it's One Plucky Pixel here, and welcome back to another creative design tutorial. In today's video, we will cover how to create a moving reveal on text or an image using a shape or object. In this case, our image is a PNG of a gold coin, and our text is of course insert coin. Starting things off, we must select the text layer. I'm now going to use Command+ to zoom in, and by utilizing the H on my keyboard, I can use the hand tool to get closer to my subject matter. Currently, there is a slight angle to the coin. We do have to mirror that with our mask. To create our mask, we go to the pen tool, and I can begin creating my mask on the coin itself, right about here. Roughly following the angle, holding Shift, and just like that, our mask is now complete. You can see the text is actually gone. Of course, I can also move the points if I need to. Now, using Command-, I can zoom out. And now we navigate back to our text layer over here. I'm going to toggle open the properties, and specifically the mask. From here, I select the stopwatch next to mask path. This will allow the mask to actually change over time. I'm now going to move to about 6 seconds in my timeline. And from here, we now animate our mask. To edit the points once more, we navigate to Pan Behind. Select the tool, click on your canvas, and once more by utilizing V for the Move tool, I'm going to click and drag the point just like so, holding Shift on my keyboard. Right about here is good. Once more, click, hold Shift, and pull it across like so. Notice I'm also going to mirror the angle on the right side, to the best of my ability. Don't worry if it's not completely perfect. At this point, if we play this back, the text is now being revealed with that same angle. Now, all that's left is to animate the coin. I'll go back to the very beginning, select my coin, press P on my keyboard, and once more select the stopwatch next to position. From here, I'm going to use the toggle next to the mask. I'll use the caret to move forward. This will take us automatically to the last keyframe of the mask. And while the coin is selected, I can click, drag and hold Shift, and animate it across. And just like that, we do have the animation of the coin revealing the text just like so. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below, and of course, I hope to see you in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching.